Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today I'm going to unpackage and review a case I purchased for my Google Pixel 9a. This case is from a brand called Oterkin, and I purchased it on Amazon with my own pocket money. So, as usual, I'll leave links in the description to where you can purchase this case as well. But stay tuned to the end of the video to see if I can actually recommend it. So, packaging, despite the fact that it is very colourful and nice, has no mention whatsoever of the brand Oterkin, apart from little detail in the label here. So it's a generic phone case, which could be used for any case, but in this case, this is the Oterkin in dark blue. It does come in a range of colours, including pink and other colours as well. Oh, you also get a card here saying you get support here. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for choosing your product, blah, 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 blah. So they're saying thanks for buying this from Amazon. Anyway, this is the dark blue case for the Google Pixel 9a. Now, the reason I purchased this is that the Google Pixel 9a does not have MagSafe compatibility. And I do like having some magnetic accessories, specifically power banks that clip onto the back of my phone with magnets. They are really useful whilst traveling, worry-free way of having an extra charge, an extra boost during those long days of travel. So let's put this case on the phone. I'm going to put the button side on first. Squeeze that in. Okay, this is good. So here we go. Google Pixel 9a is now in the Oterkin case that I purchased from Amazon. Let's have a look at it. So at the top we have a cutout for the microphone. The bezels are a bit covered, which is not a bad thing with the Google Pixel 9a. At the bottom we have a cutout for the USB-C port and microphone, as well as for that speaker output. And at the back we have a cutout for the dual camera and flash. So a fairly straightforward design. It's important to bear in mind that the edges, the bumper around the edges, is made out of a softer TPU, and then there is this sort of harder but translucent material in the back, which is essentially an extra layer of plastic to protect the back of the phone and embed those magnets for the magnetic or Qi 2 accessories. Now let's have a look at the buttons. So power on and off works fine. There's no stickiness, and as you can see, that face unlock works pretty rapidly with the Google Pixel 9a. And then let's have a look at the volume rocker. Volume up works fine, no issue there. Volume down works fine, no stickiness there. So overall, I think this is a functional case, which costs less than £12 sterling here on Amazon UK, which I think is a reasonable price to pay for a case with MagSafe-like compatibility and Qi 2 compatibility with magnets in it. It's a decent price to pay. If you're patient, you may be able to find something very similar from AliExpress at a fraction of the price, but you might have to wait a few weeks for that to be delivered. What I will say is, ergonomically, it feels nice to hold. It's got that boxy finish to it. It's nice to see that there is a little bit of a dip here at the edge between that hard plastic and the softer TPU at the edge. So it gives you something to hold on to. It's not just completely smooth. And likewise, you do get a bit of a lift here in the edge of the smartphone. So it will be held up a bit. Now, I currently don't have a screen protector on the Google Pixel 9a, but I think this Oterkin case that I purchased on Amazon is pretty decent. Nothing else comes in the box apart from the bag and that card. So extra points for no no nonsense packaging and accessories. I think I can recommend this case. It's a decent case. It gives your screen a little bit of a lift if you put it flat on a surface. It's got a good feel to holding it, and all the buttons and cutouts are functional. They do a decent job. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. As usual, I will leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this case as well. It's an affiliate link, so if you do purchase from there, you will be supporting Tech Travel Geeks as you do so. If you think I missed out on anything, if you'd like to ask any questions, see how I get on in a few weeks or months, do leave a comment in the section below. I'll do my best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.